Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to disable Windows Defender permanently on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. To do this, first open the search menu. Here, type Windows Security in the text box. Now, select the first result that appears. In the Windows Security app, go to Virus and Threat Protection. Here, scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click on Manage Settings. In this menu, go ahead and disable all the toggles one by one. Once you do this, Windows Defender will be disabled. However, this is only temporary. To disable Windows Defender permanently, open the search menu again. Now, type Registry Editor in the text box. Then, hit Enter. In the Registry Editor window, double-click this local machine folder to expand it. Then, go to Software. After that, expand Policies. Now, go down and find Microsoft. Here, you will see this Windows Defender folder. Right-click on it and go to New. Then, select the DWORD 32-bit option. Then, name it Disable, Anti-Spyware. Make sure to type it exactly like this with the first letter capitalized and no spaces. Now, double-click on the entry. Here, change the value to 1 and click OK. Finally, go ahead and restart your PC, and Windows Defender will be disabled. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.